What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Hey man, I got too much time in a dime, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you how we did this shot here. Boom, let's go. So if you look on here real quick, the way you stand inside the lighting of the studio, you want this to basically feather across or fan across your subject. I'm behind here, as you can see. You can see me touch it from behind. And I'm going to take the shot. I'm gonna take the same particular shot. Make sure my camera's on me. All right. And give me that great look. It's my jacket here. Okay. So when you're looking at these different volumes of shots and you're looking at opportunities for these shots to kind of make sense for you and your client, this is a beautiful light, one light setup. You cannot go wrong with this. So let me go back over here. You guys can see them come up over there, but I'm gonna go ahead and go back so you can see the images. Do 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 on this side there, sorry. Get on my shots. All right. So these are shots I just did. Okay. So I want you guys to understand, man, this lighting is pretty cool. You see it goes across my eyes underneath the hat, the brim, and all I did is I changed. This is feathering. You feather the light across, and you'll get the looks that you can get. So this is a quick way to get some beautiful portraits. You don't have to do too much to get this particular portrait. But that's my time, man. I'm out. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me, and I'm going, baby, baby. Keep enjoying your life.